Why, hello there, my good friends. Oh, well, I can't play the camera. Hold up, let me go shut my door. I kind of played off camera. So, yeah, but the only thing I really did was get one bee into Bit of Pollen and complete a Mr. Black Bear quest. I think I might actually go get one of those after I'm done with this. Yeah, that's basically all I did. Oh, and defeat the ladybug. And there was a honey storm, which helped out a lot. That's why I have 3,000. I went to like 750 to 3,000. And my thumb's gonna go from the camera like that sometimes. Like this, yeah, that's happened. Hurry up, you dumb bees! What are you doing?
Hello there.
Shut up, sis. What did I get? 250 dandelion field? Sorry guys, my sister came in. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. How did I get 4,000? Oh yeah. Where's it? Oh dang, it's not here. Let's see, that would help big time. Would I get better? To play this? There's gonna be like several episodes. No, several parts. So let's see. 3 parts right now is episode. Is an episode. And then yeah, it's an episode. And then 3 episodes is a season. Yeah. So 9 parts, basically 9 videos per season. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah. Yeah. My goal by the end of the season is at least have more, maybe like 10 bees. Yeah, 10 bees. Way more than 10 bees. Or at the at the worst, 10 bees. With at least one of the red or blue things open, which I can do those really fast. Yeah, maybe they're at the best, 20 bees. And 2 of these things, both the red and blue things open. With some. Oh, I can go buy a bee. I can buy a bee. Why does it sound so weird to say? I'm buying a bee. I mean, it's not wrong. Gotta get a bee. Then we have to buy the scissors. The scissors. I can't believe this. Oh, we got 3 bees. 3 bees. 3. About 3 bees, bro. I'm gonna go buy the scissors. The scissors. Let's go, guys. Look at these scissors. Oh my God. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Bro, this is a trap. They're better though. Yeah, no, man, they're better. Feels so. I want that thing. I want that flint sprout. Silly. Oh yeah, I finished that. We get four bees by the end of this vid maybe. Maybe four bees by the end of this vid. We had 2 bees when I started the vid because I got a 1 bee off camera. collect 500 pollen. Oh, I mean, I've already done that. Honeycomb. Bro, I love these things. But one other game. If you're in another game, you will love this thing. These things when you're in that game, I'll just take it. You'll just take the honey, bro. But these things help really good in another game. Just like you think, oh, there's something bad in this game. Yeah. So, since I used to be really good at this game, I'll give some tips and tricks. If you get a mini converter, or the micro converter, keep them till you're actually good at the game. And it takes very long to get your honey all the way down. Like maybe 20, and you're in the 20, you just unlocked the 30 B place maybe. No, you just unlocked the white backpack maybe. Yeah, the white backpack. That's good. 4 Bs. 4 Bs? Yeah, I'll take it. We make it 5 Bs by the end of this vid. Bro. Oh, I had him get this guy. Basically, I guess to that. It's rare. So you send this in the I'm pretty sure. Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. Enemies could get 5. 6,000. I'm buying the backpack next, so I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna go to Black Bear real quick. I feel like that's racist, but it's not racist. Do you guys ever get that feeling in school, but you done, you know what I mean, and you finished your homework in class, but you feel like you still had homework? Bro, today in my ELA class, so my teacher said, okay, get out your pink papers. And I'm like, pink papers? Oh my god, I didn't do it. And he said, okay, guys, we'll be working on that in class. I was so flipping scared I was gonna get a flipping mark on my card. If your school didn't do this, then good for you. But basically, you get an X for missing work, a number for being tardy to class, dress code, inappropriate behavior. That basically covers a lot. There's 6 of them. I can't think of all of them. Tardy to class, behavior, dress code. I can't really think of all of them. Okay, well, looks like we're going to. We have those 2 white pollen ones, 1 mix, a blue and a red. I can barely kill. Actually, when I had 2 Bs, I could barely kill her. I got 4 now, though. I don't know. Alright, I can kill this thing. I can kill it easily, bro. That ain't that bad. Let's complete this task, and then yeah, we're gonna get. I should be able to clean it. Yeah. Pretty sure. 200 more? Nah. Close. Nah, man, nah. You know, I'll use the ticket right now. Why not? Why not use the ticket? We could get 5 Bs by the end of the video. By the end of this part. It's gonna be 15 minutes long. I can't afford. Wait. I thought. Oh my god, I can't afford it. Well, guys, let me go check how much the B cost. My next B cost. I'm pretty sure it's like 6,000 something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it costs 6,000 something. And this is might happen before we get 6,000. Yeah, so we're gonna try and get that back. That bag. I'm adjusting my position right now. Okay, there we go. Oh, red pollen. I forgot about red pollen. We could do the mother bear quest, not the mommy bear quest. Why did I say that? I don't care. She's not as long. She's my mother. She's the mother of all the bears. Black Bear's the dad of all the bears. At least that's what my brother told me. Come on. Okay, I want to actually see what her first quest is. What her first quest is. Feed one treat. Do I have a treat? Yes. So yeah, this is an easy quest. You're doing me pretty easy. Yeah, look, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. If I makes brownies, like, bro, I get 3 sheets. 3. Bro, what? I got one. Guys, I made a profit. I made a profit. I used 2. I used 2 treats. She gave me 3. I made a profit of 1 treat. I made a profit of 1 treat. Okay, well, anyways. Yeah, now you're level 3. Let's just go buy 2 more treats. So I guess I hope she gives me more than 5 treats, because then I make a profit. Yeah, at least I want at least 6 treats. Not a profit in honey though. Baby. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 treats. So, if this quest gives me more than 6 treats, then I am the GOAT. Then no, Mother Bear's the GOAT. Then Mother Bear's the GOAT. Oh, Mother Bear, you better give me more than 6 treats, and you'll be the GOAT. I would say him, but Mother Bear's a girl. 3. We did get it. We did make a profit in honey. So let's do a profit. We made a profit. We actually made a profit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Man, I'm sad. You know why I'm sad? Cause I'm freaking sad, bro. I'm freaking sad right now, bro. Little bro made me sad. This guy's a gummy bee. How did you get a gummy bee? What did you have to do to get a gummy bee? None? Didn't you do the complete, like, 250 gummy quest? But you did... Pretty sure it's gummy quest, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm just dead shot stare into the freaking camera. Did that scare some of you? I bet it did. Anyways, my surroundings. Please, man. No, I don't care. I really need this stuff. I really need this stuff. This will probably be like the most people I'll get in my life. I mean, I helped a little bit. I don't really care anymore. Yeah, bro, this is probably gonna be like the most Jolly Ranchers. The most. What are they called? Royal jellies in my life, too. Oh my god, I only needed 2, bro. I only needed 2. A Gooey and a Bumblebee. What's No, level 4 now. Let's go, bro. Oh my god, I have 12,000 honey now. We should really buy a bee. And we can buy the backpack. But me personally, I'm not gonna get the backpack yet. God, guys, we can go into... Oh, crap, this video is 18 minutes long. Well, this is going to be probably like the longest part I made. You know, we'll just make it 20. We'll just set to 2 minutes. Why not? Why not? I'm just going to buy that. Yeah, look at my cool fit, guys. Look at my cool fit. Anyways, see ya. Have a good day. If you're close to Halloween, have a good Halloween. If you're close to Christmas, happy Christmas. If you're close to New Year's, have a great New Year's. Close to Thanksgiving, have a great Thanksgiving. If you're close to Columbus Day, like me, have a great Columbus Day. Well, actually, Ohio's really like the only thing that supports that thing, and I live in Ohio. The memes are dead, guys. The memes are dead. Unless you're like in the past. Anyways, see ya, and have a great life. Have a great life. I don't know what day you're doing this. So just say, have a great life. Have a happy and long life. I wish you the best year. And I hope you get tons of gifts for Christmas. If you're close to Christmas. See ya.